it's almost the 4th of July. Yay! And if you're getting ready to have a lot of people over for the 4th, I have the perfect centerpiece for you. Okay? If this is your first time to this channel, welcome, 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 and go ahead on and push that subscribe button, that like button, and come back for more of my glamorous centerpieces. Okay, let's get started. The supplies you would need for this tutorial are 1 large foam ball. You can get this anywhere, Joann's, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. 4th of July hat from Dollar Tree. 1 large mirror, 1 garland, 4 bunches of flowers, 2 candle holders, 2 candles, 2 tea lights, a string of lights. Now I purchased these from Hobby Lobby, okay, around Christmas time, okay. And you can purchase a string of lights anywhere. Wire cutters, scissors, and glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to place our foam ball all the way down inside of this hat. And it fits perfectly, okay? Probably too much. Okay, bring it out a little bit. There we go. Okay, and next we're going to cut our flowers off each stem, and we're going to leave a little bit of stem on the flower so that we can just stick it right inside of our foam ball, and it fits perfectly. Now if you want to secure it a little bit better, you just put some glue there and it will stay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is continue to take off our flowers. Okay, now we're going to add our lights inside of our flowers. Okay, we're just going to intertwine them in the flowers. Now we're going to take our little garland and we're going to cut a piece off. Hello everybody, it's sharing time. What sharing time? What? Hello everybody, it's sharing time. It's sharing time with me. I am getting ready to share with you 5 great food items you can get from the Dollar Tree. Now I've opened 4 of them already because I had to taste it just to make sure that it tastes good before I, let you guys know. So the first one is ginger snaps. These ginger snaps, they look like this and they are delicious. So that's number 1. Number 2 are some honey graham crackers. My son loves these. You see that? They are awesome. With some milk, dip it in some cold milk. Now some people prefer warm, but I prefer the cold milk. But my son loves these. Of course, you see they're open, but they are good. Also, they have these cups of, I'm turn it this way, noodles. You just add water to them. Get 3 in a package, 3 in a little box, whatever, and they are really good. Just add water, put it in the microwave, take it for lunch. Okay, number 3 is, guess what they have, you guys? Smoothie Sun-Kissed Pops. Okay, they are smoothies. They call them smoothie bars. Really good, really good. I've tasted the strawberry, banana, delicious. But they come in berry, pina colada, and mango. Smoothies in a popsicle bar. They are delicious, you guys. Last but not least, I have not opened these. These are some cheesy popcorn. Good for if you are watching a movie, and I'm getting ready to taste it right now. These are delicious, you guys. You don't have to wait around till Christmas time to get some cheesy popcorn. They have it at the Dollar Tree right now. Stock up on you some Dollar Tree food. Go ahead on and get you some Dollar Tree food for the summer. I know those kids and grandkids are at home and they be hungry, y'all. They be hungry, so I have to stack up on some snacks for them. They can just reach in the cabinet or reach in the refrigerator and just get it. Yay! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, that like button, turn that notification bell on, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you. Mwah!